I'm going to show you how to get a refund or return your items in Amazon. So to get started, make sure you go to amazon.com and then log into your account. So you can click on refund or you can click on account and then click on orders right here. And then it will redirect you to the next page where you can see your orders or return refunds. And then click on return or replace item once you selected that items that you wanted to transfer or refund from. So I'm just going to click on this one right here and then it will redirect to the next page. So if you want to press continue, just select the item right here and then click on why you want to return this one. So you have to choose a label from this. So I'm just going to click is it too large or defective items. So from here, just have to comment if you have a comment and then press continue. And then from here, you just have to return the items that you want. You can exchange the item with the same amount or you can exchange it with the same item. Or also you can have a refund by clicking on the refund system around here, but you need to drop off or return the items to Amazon. So you can either drop off to the Amazon market that you want or you can mail it to them. And then so from there you just have to press on continue and then it will just process. Takes around 3 to 4 hours after you return the items. So that's pretty much it. That's how you get a refund on amazon.com.